What's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to be going over how to build an AI system that tracks your guys' client Slack channels in real time and suggests you guys specific actions and also do daily summaries, just again based off what the conversation for the day goes. And just to show you guys see the outcome of how it works is whenever say a client says something like really urgent, like this is frustrating, the login page is broken again, can you guys do something about this? We automatically get noted in the client alerts channel and can jump straight to the conversation and address the complaint immediately, okay? Similar enough, we also detect when questions go unanswered. CSMs, AMs, they have to sometimes manage like 20 channels at once, right? It's natural for questions to be forgotten, to get lost. They click on the channel, they forget to answer, and it ends up being like a couple hours later they actually get back to the client. We do not want that happening, obviously, right? So we track unanswered questions after a specific amount of time, and we notify it here, and again, you can just jump straight to the question, and boom, right? And again, it tells you the question has been unanswered for 30 minutes or whatever setting you want to do for this. Also as well, this AI system will track for potential testimonials. So whenever a client says something really good, you get notified, and that way you guys can screenshot it, put it on Twitter, put it on your website, whatever the fuck you guys want to do. And lastly, for every single client, we also have a daily summary of like key concerns, unresolved issues, key action items, shit like that. And this summary you guys can structure however you like. Just for this demo, that's just how I did it. And just to show you guys how it works in real time, I'm gonna go on the client side and pretend to be Tina, who is the client for this specific case. Let's just give a complaint. Fuck you. The login page broke again. Are you serious? This sucks. Okay. And right when we send that, we get notified a client fire detected for RevOps AI. Fuck you. The login broke again. Are you serious? This sucks. In terms of the flow of how to do this, so let's start with the daily client summary automation. Okay. So how it works is obviously your client in the team chat occurs in a private Slack channel. At 6 p.m., obviously you guys can set this to whatever time you guys want. The system pulls the entire day's chat history using the Slack API. We then just use AI to summarize like the chat with key concerns raised, positive feedback, unresolved issues, action items, and we get it posted in the client summary Slack channel. Okay, this one's pretty straightforward, right? In terms of client messaging monitoring, right? So what's gonna happen? This one's a bit more complicated. So a message is sent in the client Slack channel from either us or the client. Okay, and what we're gonna do then is temporarily store the conversation/messages after. Reason being is a lot of times these people send in Slack multiple messages at once. Like it could be like, hey Tyler, hey Tyler is message 1. Do you have this and that? Message 2. We did blah 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 blah. Message 3. So what we want to do is stream the entire conversation until there's 5 minutes of inactivity. Once this happens, the AI is going to analyze the conversation for the following. It's going to detect if the client is upset, so there's a fire, detect if the client gives praise, a testimonial, or identify any unanswered questions from the client. So again, it's going to read through that conversation, look for any major complaints, any testimonials, and obviously any questions that weren't answered from us in the conversation, and mark it there, okay? From there on, if a fire is detected, obviously it's gonna get posted in the alerts channel. Similarly enough with the testimonial, it'll get posted in the testimonials channel. And lastly, if an unanswered question is detected, what we're gonna do is track the channel for the response from the team. The main goal of this is if say a client asks a question and no one replies, obviously that doesn't look very good, especially if it's been a couple hours, right? So what we're doing here is if we notice an unanswered question, so let's say a client asks, what day is this campaign gonna go up, okay? From there on, and let's assume obviously there's no response from the team, okay? What we're gonna do is track the Slack channel for a response. We're gonna wait for incoming messages from the team side. Reason being is if we get a reply from the team, then that's good, because obviously we're gonna assume then that the team member, like the CSM, the AM, like answer the question. If not, we're gonna mark it and like have that post in the client alerts channel. Pretty straightforward workflow, but I actually think that solves a huge problem if you have like a coaching business or obviously run like an agency or B2B SaaS, shit like that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Much quicker video, but I kind of built this out just for fun. I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys and record it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.